Hello friends, welcome to the CloudBig YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to restore soft deleted mailbox data to another mailbox. So this may be required in some scenarios like if the user leaves the organization and you need to reorganize your team, or in the case of accidental deletion. Let me open my Microsoft account. So here in the deleted users, you can see that this user is deleted. So it's the soft deleted user. This may be possible if the user is deleted within 30 days. Otherwise, it will not be possible to restore the data. So we need to move this user data to another mailbox. So this is the user in which we are going to move the data. So we will copy these mailboxes, and this is the new mailbox. And again here in the deleted, this is the soft deleted mailbox, like the mailbox which has been deleted in 30 days. So we are going to follow this block. So first we need to connect to the exchange online. So we need to copy this command. Here search for PowerShell and run as administrator. So first connect to your office account here. So here provide your credentials. Now you can see we are connected. So this is possible through GUID of the mailbox. So first we need to get the GUID of the soft deleted mailbox, and then we will get the GUID of the new mailbox. So this is the command. So it's for soft deleted mailbox. So we will copy this email and paste here. So now we will copy this command, open PowerShell window and paste here. So it's the GUID for soft deleted mailbox. Okay, now we need to run this one for the regular mailbox. Copy your email address, paste here, copy this command and run in the PowerShell. So this is the GUID for new mailbox. Okay, now to restore mailbox, we need to run this command. So copy this command, and it's the GUID of source mailbox. So this one we need to use for soft deleted mailbox. And this one is for the target mailbox, like in which we want to move the data. Now copy this one and paste here and enter. Now you can see the command has been run successfully and the status is in the queue. So you can check the status from this command. Simply copy this one and paste here and enter. So you can see here the status is queue. Once the move will be completed, you can see the status as completed. So it will take time depend on the data size. So if you have in place archive enabled, then you will need to use this command also. Simply change your source mailbox GUID and target mailbox GUID. So it will move the archive mailbox data also. So thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.